Hello， 大家好，我是小丫老师，人教 P1P 版4年级下册英语教材，跟着小丫老师一起学起来。Let's talk. Excuse me, where's the teacher's office? Excuse me, where's the teacher's office? 打扰一下，老师办公室在哪里？It's on the second floor. 它在2楼。Second floor. 2楼。Okay, thanks. 好的，谢谢。Hi, is this the teacher's office? The teacher's office. Hi, is this the teacher's office? Hi, 这是老师办公室吗？No, it isn't. 不，它不是。The teacher's office is next to the library. The teacher's office is next to the library. 老师办公室紧挨着图书馆。Hi, Miss White. 你好，怀特老师。Here's my homework. Here's my homework. Here's my homework. 这是我的作业。Thank you, Mike. 谢谢你，麦克。Bye, Miss White. 再见，怀特老师。我们也可以翻译成怀特小姐。Look, ask, and answer. 看一看，问一问，答一答。Where's the library? 图书馆在哪儿？ It's on the second floor. 它在2楼。Is it next to classroom 3? 它紧挨着教室3吗？ Yes, it is. 是的，它是。好，今天的内容就到这里了。如果需要老师的课程，可以直接点开老师作品下方的小黄车，到小黄车里边去购买就可以啦。喜欢小丫老师，双击加关注。